Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's financial planning resources. So it's going to be a quick video, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Affirm's website and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to click on financial planning. You can browse the available resources such as articles, videos, and webinars that are available, and select the resource that interests you, and you can start learning. You can also review and understand the financial planning concepts and strategies that you've learned, and you can just make adjustments to your financial plans as needed based on the knowledge that you have received. And review and understand the financial planning process and timelines. Of course, take advantage of what you've learned and put them into good use. And if you have any other needs and stuff, you could just contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance. And also consider setting up account alerts to monitor your account activity, and that just helps you have a better account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's financial planning resources. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.